Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today is not a great day outside. It looks like it's going to rain, so I think we're going to do something inside the Range Rover today. And I think what we'll do is start to have a go at removing the headlining, so we can understand what's going on with that roof. Without further ado, let's get started and find out how we get this thing down. And the next job is the sun visors. It looks as though they're held in with posi drive screws, a couple of screws, so it should be easy enough. They're up there. Okay, so let's get on with those. In fact, I stand corrected, they're not posi drive at all, they're Torx bits. And the first blind just slides out of there. There we go. This end just simply pulls over to expose the screw. There we go. And disconnect the wire for the vanity mirror. A good tip is to pop your screws back into the metal so they don't get lost. We'll get hunting round for them later. And there's the first handle removed. 3 more to go. Okay, that's the four hand grips removed. Now we've got to get this off. I've got 2 of these, and looks like that's a posi drive screw in each of these. Okay guys, so next job is to ease off the panels in the back and the rear quarters. You can use a large screwdriver, or you can use tools like this. But you need to get that off there. Well, just be careful so you don't damage any of those clips there. Okay. And if any don't come out, you can use a tool like this. That's the sun visors removed. Now we need to remove the centre lamp unit. And that's easy done. That just pulls down against some clips. So just give it a good tug and that'll come down. Okay, that's the lamp unit out. And now there's some more fixings to remove here. The headliner away from the rubber seal, and then in there you'll see some more clips, similar thing, nice big screwdriver or a similar tool to what I just showed to you. Okay guys, I think that's as far as I'm going to get today. It looks as though I'm going to have to open this sunroof to get some screws out. Looks like some screws up here, and so I'm not going to be able to do that today because it's going to rain, looking at that sky, and I'm not sure that sunroof is going to seal if I open it right now, and I don't want to get the water in here. I have noticed the roof line is a bit saggy, so I think we're going to get that recovered as well when we get it out. So another little job on the list. So until next time guys, we're going to leave it there today. And as usual, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you like what we're doing, or don't, leave us a comment. And we'll see you soon. Take care.